So I'm really laughing at myself today. When we bought this house, I thought, we're done. This house is good enough. We've renovated 4 houses already. This is number 5 that we have moved into. And I was like, you know what? This style is close enough to me. We're all good. So I made it about 5 months with the almost good enough paint color. But I really prefer something that's a little bit brighter. I feel like it's good for my state of mind, it's good for my design style. I've always wanted to have a little bit darker walls, and I've tried it out now. Turns out, not exactly for me. I think it's beautiful, but I want to kind of get back to a space that really feels like my own. So today, I'm testing out a paint color on this wall. We'll see how I like it. Assuming all goes well, we're going to do the whole room.